Caitlin Clark showed one of her most genuine moments after a reporter unexpectedly interrupted her during a press conference. Clark was seriously answering questions about how the team would handle the season after their opening loss to Dallas when a reporter suddenly sneezed. It was obvious he tried to hold it in, but the attempt only made the sneeze even louder. Clark continued her answer for a second before laughing and saying, "Bless you, I got you. You don't want to hold it in," creating a lighter moment during the Indiana Fever press conference and briefly lifting the mood in the room.